In this video we are going to explain how to use to admin area instructions for using the autoresponder script. Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your site works. Admin settings. Here you will decide how your program will run. Mailer settings, select the type of mailer you want to use. Click here to know the steps to get Google reCAPTCHA v2 API key, otherwise leave the below field blank. GDPR settings, do you want to enable it by default or not? Enabling it will show a small fixed bar at bottom of page to ask user to allow cookies. Manage your pages. Here you can manage your pages. Top menu links. Here you can manage your top menu links. Footer section. Here you can manage your site footer links and other information. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system. System information. Here you can find the basic information about your server. Email validation service. Email Court is a web application that can verify if an email address is real or fake. You can validate the email addresses of new members joining your website using Email Court API. Send push notifications. Push notifications allow you to stay connected with all desktop and mobile app users with great ease to provide your customers with the best experience so that they can choose your services over and over again. Feedback and exit surveys. Take advantage of real-time data collection via digital surveys, and see your business bloom with real-time reports and unlimited data. List management service. Easily manage your list without using your own server resources to do mailing to your members. Mobile app. Powerful web-based app builder tool for your business that will allow you to turn your website into a seamless, user-friendly Android app. Contests. Contest Conclave is a web application that can allow you to incentivize your website with various contests to increase traffic flow and win cash and prizes while promoting contests to your members at your website. Analytics. Keep track of your website traffic. Subscribers list. Search subscribers. From here you can view, delete the subscribers records. Active subscribers, remove subscribers, pending subscribers. From here you can view, delete the subscribers of a particular category who are at active status, remove status or pending status. Add subscribers. From here you can add multiple subscribers at once to your list. Remove subscribers. From here you can remove multiple subscribers at once to your list. Email subscribers. Use this section for updating your subscribers through email. Message history. Here you can view all the messages sent by you in the past. Add, remove autoresponder messages. Here you can add, remove autoresponder messages that you want to be sent to your subscribers automatically. Log out. Thanks for watching this video.